Guys, I got a new puppies. This is Brownie. This is Tiger. And our last dog is black, the big one, it died, so it's reborn. So this is him, King. Look at him, look at him, he's cute, cute. Let's take a look. Oh, cute. Oh, he's eating the ippies. Oh, hell no. No, he's ripping the pieces. Who wants to smoke? Hello. Are you good? Saan si Wawa? Nagkatinis. Ayun, so cute. Close. That's him right there. Cute. Where's the noise? Oh, that's Brown. Let's take a very look at him. Oh, he's so cute. He fits right there.
So, pagkano kung binubuksan yung pintuan na matagal ha, baka lumabas sila ha.
Apa?
Halika dito.
Ano pa? It's just a stain po.
Very stains inside. Ano ba nasaan ka? Ano ko itong shirt yung sa mukha mo?
Diyan na lang.
Tanggalin mo sa lamin mo.
Ah.
Nag-grab kami papunta.
Auntie! Asan mo nakuha ng mga yun?
Halaga ng aso, baby ng aso nila yan.
So we can adopt them?
Yeah.